In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Duolingo app on Android. By the end, you'll have the Duolingo app ready to open on your Android phone or tablet. We'll move at a comfortable pace so you can follow along easily. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and it's where you'll safely download Duolingo. Look for the multicolored triangle icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, then tap to open it. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. It usually says Search Apps and Games. This is where you'll enter the app name. Type Duolingo, spelled Duolingo, and pause for a moment while the Play Store shows results. From the results, select the one labeled Duolingo, Language Lessons by Duolingo. This is the official listing. You can recognize it by the familiar green owl icon and the developer name showing as Duolingo. Tapping the correct result will open the app's detail page where you can see screenshots, a description, and reviews if you're curious. On the app page, tap the Install button. The Play Store will begin downloading the app to your device. You'll see a progress indicator while it's installing. The time this takes can vary based on your internet speed and available storage, so give it a moment. If you're on mobile data, just be aware that downloads use data. On Wi-Fi, it may be faster. When the download finishes, the Install button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open to launch Duolingo immediately. You can also find the Duolingo icon added to your home screen or app drawer for easy access later. That's all it takes to get the app. With Duolingo installed, you can explore its core features. The app supports learning over 40 languages, and lessons are designed to help you practice speaking, reading, listening, and writing in short, engaging sessions. You'll notice a daily streak tracker that motivates consistent learning, and everything starts with free lessons. There are optional premium upgrades if you'd like extras, but they're not required to begin. Duolingo has been downloaded over 500 million times on Android and supports recent Android versions, so it should run smoothly on most modern devices. If you followed along, you now have Duolingo ready to open and explore. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your language skills one lesson at a time.